Hi guys, are you looking for an inexpensive but do-it-yourself gift? I have a solution for that, so keep watching and stay tuned! So once again, hello everyone, it's me Lyzza and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself gift or what we call waterfall card. So here it is.
Of 2002.
So first things first, we have to prepare the materials. So my materials are the only resources that I have. So we have folder and special papers. We have tape or glue, scissor, pencil, and ruler. Also, our stamp cards. Or you can use your letters. Here are my stamp cards. There you go. Next thing to do is we measure and cut these papers into 5 cm by 5 cm, 6 by 6, 25 by 6, and 12 by 2. All of that measurements are by centimeter. So let's start. So guys, be sure that the sizes are the exact sizes of what I have said. Or you can make it bigger if you want to. So I'm done and I'm going to cut this into pieces. Here. That's done. So after cutting the papers, we are ready to attach these stamp cards here. Or you can use your letters if you want to, but I'll use these stamp cards. Let's paste it. So after putting the stamp cards or the letter, we attach this to the slightly larger squares. This 6 cm by 6 cm. So let's paste it. So this will be the result. After this, we set aside these stamp cards or letters and we grab the big strip. Here. We would score it starting at the end 6 cm and the other ones are 1 cm. So after scoring, it would look like this. And now, we are ready to attach these stamp cards or letters and this big strip. So we start at the end. Remember not to paste it a whole, just half of or the top side only. The top only, okay guys, here. Top only. Oh wait guys, I almost forgot, I'm sorry. You have to fold these lines. Wait, I will fold it. I use ruler to fold the folder. So it would look like this. I fold.
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather.
So it would look like this. Wait.
Just know it's never been better than the summer.
So for now, we would place this on the space in the first scored line. Here. There. We would place it here. So be sure to fold it first. And place it at the back. Place it first. And fold these sides. So after folding the sides, we will attach this extra sides on the first scored lines, what I have sent here.
Songs with all our childhood friends.
There you go. It would look like this. And if you would fold it, just hold the sides. It's good. There you go. And now we would put a big point here so we can make it an arrow. There, and we will cut it. There, it's done. So it's up to you if you would place a heart on it. I'll just get this. There you go, our waterfall cards. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like, subscribe, and share my video. Bye guys!
The day we fell in love.